Hi friends, this is Shafat. Welcome to my channel. Today I am on the platform of Google Cloud Platform Business Professional Accreditation. This is the official e-learning platform of Google that is called Skills. Google provides many resources, many certificates, courses freely accessible. This is the first content of this course, GCP for Business Professional. Second is GCP Compute, that is of 6 module and 1 assessment. GCP Storage and Database is containing 7 modules and 1 assessment. And third is Big Data and Machine Learning, that contains 6 modules and 1 assessment. And here is the optional resource is from you start Google Cloud Computing. And after that, one more thing we need to learn. We have to complete it, all the resources, all module and all assessment for getting our certificates. And also we have to score 80% or more assessment. Now I am going for the first assessment, assessment 1, GCP Compute. Here are some instructions for the assessment. Firstly, read carefully, and after that we go for the assessment. And here I am going to start. Now some most important instruction from me, that is question may be several. This assessment have 30 questions, so stay it on till the last. This is the last question, that is 13 questions. And with complete it 100% marks. Now I am going to solve the second assessment, Google Cloud Platform Business Professional Creation. We completed GCP Compute Assessment. Now we are second GCP Storage and Database. So I am going to start assessment of this module, and here is the assessment, and this is the instructions for this assessment. For solving the assessment, please read instructions for carefully, because there is mention that we need 80% and above for getting your certificate. And here is the first question. This is the second assessment, and this contains total 35 questions. Now stay tuned till the last. This is the last question of this assessment. That is the question number of 35. And here is my score is 100%. We completed 2 of this assessment, and now we are going for the third, big data and machine learning. This is the final step to achieve Google Cloud Certificate of Completion. This is the final assessment, means the third assessment. After this, we get our certificate. And here I am going to start. And this is the first question. As we complete assessment 1 and assessment 2, we do the same here. There are 30 questions here. And for getting certificate, we need to answer correctly 24 questions. So we have to take proper care, answer very carefully, and that questions are several. So let's complete it. This is the last question of this course, of this assessment. And we answered it 100% correctly, and we passed the assessment with 100% score. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.